Hi everyone, we're going to be looking at measurements just for one lesson this week. I don't think you'll struggle at all with this one, and it's just metric units. So just to remind you of what that is, in your length, you've got millimetres, you've got centimetres, you've got metres, and you've got kilometres. Now hopefully you all know that 10 millimetres is 1 centimetre, 100 centimetres is 1 metre, and 1,000 metres is 1 kilometre. I use this wee diagram to help me change between units. As you go up the diagram, millimetres and centimetres are bigger. So as you go up, the numbers get smaller, so you divide. So as you go up, you divide. As you go back, you multiply. Now, millimetres to centimetres, the link is 10. Centimetres to metres, the link is 100. And metres to kilometres, the link is 1,000. Now you don't have to use this. Some people like it, some people don't, and that's fair enough. So if I had 770 millimetres and I wanted to put that into metres, I would look at my wee diagram and go, I'm starting at millimetres and I'm trying to go to metres. So starting here and going up here, and just follow what the diagram tells me to do. So divide by 10 and then divide by 100. So dividing by 10 gives you 77. Dividing by 100, move your decimal point back twice, 0.77 metres. I think we'll try one more of those to see what it's like. If I had, try to think, 500 kilometres and I wanted that into millimetres. So kilometres to millimetres. So I'm going back, I've got to times it by all of this. So it's 500 times 1,000, now times 100, now times 10. So it's a 5 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 noughts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 noughts. Quite often I go up in threes and put a comma in just to make it a wee bit easier. So that's length. You've then got weight. Now, weight, milligrams is the smallest, then it's grams, then it's kilograms, and then it's tons, and it's spelled T-O-N-N-E-S. With weight, it's the same idea, but it's even easier. You divide to go up, you multiply to go back, and everything's 1,000. There's not too much to remember in that one, it's easy enough. So, over here, what that means, 1,000 milligrams is a gram, 1,000 grams is a kilo, and 1,000 kilograms is 1 tonne. And then the last one we're going to look at is capacity. The smallest one's millilitres, centilitres, so like centimetres, only it's centilitres, and then litres. This one's not used as, don't use this one as much, but you still need to know it. Divide to go up, multiply to go back. Millimetres to centilitres is 10, and centilitres to litres is 100. Now you're probably more familiar with 1,000 millilitres equals 1 litre. So quite often in this one, we bypass the centilitres and just go straight up to litres. Okay, what I would like you to do now, if you look through your booklets, and it is chapter 39, and it is units of measurement. And I'll just post a wee video of the answers along with a photo of the answers for you there. So it's